Hey guys, sorry I haven't recorded much yet. We're at the track Saturday. Just got done Q2, qualifying 2. I ran a 560 flat, and I don't want to say any names, but technically I just beat, it doesn't matter in the qualifying, but I just beat the #1 guy in the points. He did, let's see, let's get the time slip. He red lighted, but I mean, the win's a win. I'm going to take it. You see here, I'll post a picture. Just got here this morning. I was told from my last video that I need to talk in my videos. It was really weird. Somebody said people don't want to just see racing, they want to see you talk and see the story. It makes sense, but we're super pumped. I just ran a 560 qualifying. If it's not #1, it's #2. If we can do the same thing tomorrow, we're gonna be in good shape. And stay tuned. What's up, everybody? It's Sunday, about 1 o'clock. Just ran the first round. I didn't even think about this, but because I qualified first, I was on standby for the bye round. Went down there. Oh, it's hot. I don't even know how hot it is, but it's hot. It's like the desert out here. Got down there, waited. If there was an odd number of bikes, I got the bye. And there was an even number of bikes, so I was like, I got paired up with somebody, and then finally another guy came down, so I ended up getting the bye, so I could go to the second round. It's hot. We are, the pros are about to run now, so we got put off to after the pros. I don't know. It's weird coming from, being pretty new at this. This is my first year on XDA to qualify first, and then just set the reality that I could very well win this thing if I do good. It's exciting. Still got the stock clutch in this bike too. The stock clutches are terrible. It's really giving me trouble. I think most of these guys have either a Gen 2 or a slider or something. A lot of them are leaning on the button. I'm working the clutch. Not an excuse, but it is. Makes it a little more interesting, I guess. I walk up here and watch the pros. I especially like to watch Pro Street. I like to run Pro Street one day, but can't afford it. Those bikes are stupid expensive, and maybe if I hit the ladder or something. Alright, we'll be back for round 2.
to a 567.2.
2 to a 567.6. Beat him on a hole shot.
Alright, so post second round, I don't even remember what I recorded now, it's so hot. Anyway, I lost second round. My bike bogged. It launched fine, but then it bogged just before the 60 foot or around the 60 foot. So my 330 was terrible. Raced the wheelie bar bike. I was catching up with him, but I just needed a little bit more track. We both ran 567s, but he had a little bit more. Ironically, I was just talking about my stock clutch earlier, and I'm wondering if that had something to do with it. Because typically I do the exact same thing every single launch. It's hot. I'm driving the car around the track because it's hot. But we are gonna go home, check the clutches, try to figure out what caused it, because I don't think it was me. I had the throttle locked. Shouldn't have bogged. Should not have bogged at all. I don't know if it's the clutch, I don't know if it's fuel injection, or just some weird something that happened. But that's racing, they say, and we're gonna test once before the next XDA. I think it's here again in Virginia. We're gonna go to Piedmont Dragway and test. My reaction time still kind of sucks. It's crazy you can qualify first and run multiple 560s pretty consistently with a terrible reaction time. Once I get that figured out, and I don't know if we're going to get the Gen 2 clutch in it this season, but over the winter, it's got to happen. I mean, I honestly think with those two factors eliminated, I'm just going to go ahead and say it. I say it humbly, I'm going to be a top competitor for sure. I say that humbly. There's a lot of great racers out there, but I know what we're capable of. It's just sometimes it comes down to money. It's talent, money, all that good stuff. But we're gonna go load up the trailer. My dog's at home, and I'm sure he's ready to see me. So I might make a video when we go testing that PMI. I don't know. We'll see. See ya.
Winner here gets the winner of the Jamie Lopes Greg Wallace matchup. And again, Rodney Williford hasn't lost a round in the XDA in 364 days. Won the last 5 races. Rodney 6:46.5 2:26 for Rodney Williford. And man, oh man, Rodney, he said, yeah, I'm going for it, buddy. 226 miles an hour for Rodney.